When you get sick, it feels like you've been dropped off on an island and you're watching that cruise ship sail away. And that's what it feels like when you're sick. You feel like all the opportunities are leaving you behind. How's it going, guys? Miguel here with CFS Recovery. Well, let's just take a moment to enjoy the beautiful beach. There are a lot of things after you get better when you come out of this thing, and not if you get better, when you get better, because I know you can do it. You're gonna appreciate things like this that, you know, regular people don't really get to appreciate. And so I'm excited for that to come to you. Now, today's topic ties into getting better, of course, like all my other videos, but today I wanna talk about what causes people to continue to push and push and push through symptoms, through recovery, and really race to that finish line. And you know what, I get it. I was there. I wanted to recover as fast as I could. I wanted to just push through the symptoms and try to force myself to be normal, and I would try to act normal, but physically my body just couldn't keep up. I would try to go to a beautiful beach like this, but I couldn't even walk 100 meters. That was not too long ago. That was just over 3 years ago. And there's a few reasons why people want to push further. Number one, you literally feel like the world is going to leave you behind. You feel like you're missing out on life, and everybody is doing something. All your friends are on their paths, your family's on their paths, everybody's moving towards something, but you're just here stagnant. If anything, you're not even stagnant, you're like shrinking. You're losing all the things you have in your life, while everybody else has the ability to go out into the world and, you know, move forward towards their goals, experience fun things, and you feel like you're missing something that will never come around again. And I totally understand how that feels. You know, for me, when I got really sick, I've said this in other videos, if you've been watching, you know my story. I got sick, got better, got sick, got better, back and forth for about 4 or 5 years. And it got to the point where I was very sick for 8 months. I literally could not get out of bed. And here's what it felt like for me. You know, imagine you're on a cruise ship with everybody, and you literally live on a cruise ship, and the whole ship is moving in a direction. You're getting to a destination, and when you get sick, it feels like you've been dropped off on an island and you're watching that cruise ship sail away. And that's what it feels like when you're sick. You feel like all the opportunities are leaving you behind. You know, it's a very tough feeling, and it's a very lonely road, and it makes you want to jump in that water and catch up and swim as fast as you can to go catch that cruise ship. But in reality, that cruise ship is long gone. So here's the thing you got to understand. While it feels like the cruise ship, like the world is leaving you behind and you're just stranded here watching your life slip away, but in reality, that's not how it works. The world isn't this ship that's moving in one direction, and if you stop what you're doing and you stay at home for a week or a month or 6 months, you're not going to come back out to an extremely different world. You're going to be able to pick up right where you left off. You're going to be able to pick up at a new spot, and the opportunities will still be there. In fact, what I found is that you'll be presented with a lot of new opportunities, and a lot of times better opportunities than what you're currently doing. Not only will you be able to hit the restart button on life, but you'll go into everything with a new mindset, a new, different way of thinking, and a more sustainable way of living. And when you can go into all these new opportunities that are presented to you, which, trust me, 100%, you will have all these opportunities come to you that are different from what you're doing right now, then everything will make sense. It doesn't make sense right now, and it feels like you're getting left behind, and that's completely normal, right? The world is not a cruise ship. It's not a one-time train that's never going to come back around. Think of yourself as like a soccer player. Now you're just sitting on the sidelines, right? Just for a little bit. Think of it like you're taking a timeout, you're taking a little break. Eventually, you're going to be able to jump back in on that same field and, you know, pick up where you left off. I hope that helps. It's a shorter video today. It's a little mindset stuff I want to talk about, because that's something a lot of people struggle with. I know I definitely had a lot of issues with that, because it is very hard. And I'm not saying it's gonna be easy. I'm not saying it's easy right now, but just know that it's not the end of the world, is basically what I'm trying to say. Although it feels like the end of the world, it's not the end of the world, and it will all make sense at the end of this all. When you come out on the other side and you're fully recovered, you're gonna look back and say, wow, I'm grateful that happened. You know, it makes a lot of sense. So That's all I want to share today. If you like this video, then hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you want to see next. And if you haven't already subscribed to my Instagram page, that's where we can interact a lot closer. That's where I post stuff on there that I don't normally post on YouTube, and that's where I do stuff like questions, and I'll go live every once in a while. It's just a different side of me that you don't really see on YouTube. So make sure you go follow that right now, and you can message me there. I'm also thinking of doing one-on-one coaching because a lot of people have been asking me. Right now, as I'm filming this, there are 5 spots available. So it's basically a Zoom call where you can ask me any questions. You get my full 100% undivided one-on-one attention, and you can ask me anything you want. We'll come up with some strategies to help you recover. And it's really a way for people to get access to me one-on-one. But let me know what you guys think of that, if that's something you guys are interested in. I know a lot of people have been messaging me wanting to do that. But until next time, hope you guys have a great day. Hang in there, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.